already know who it is. It's me, I'm back. The original HBIC is here to serve y'all 12 days of beauty, Fenty Beauty style. If you're gonna build a good house, you better start from the foundation and work your way up. Oh my goodness! I need to get this in my stocking from Santa, or the one I have two foundations here from Fenty Beauty. The Soft Matte Foundation and then the Hydrating Foundation. Now, let me tell you something. I stay wet like the ocean already, so I don't need nothing keeping me wetter than I already am automatically, because I'm just that So I like something with a little bit of matte going on. So this would be me. But you know what? When I'm chilling in the island with my boo, I can get wetter, so I will go with the Hydration Foundation. Before you even go into the foundation, you want to go into the primer, honey. And Fenty Beauty is hitting y'all with 3 different top-of-the-line primers. And these are so pretty. I want to just lick these, but I won't, not on camera at least. This ain't going to be easy, but remember the hydrating, soft matte, true matte, okay? We have it all for you. If you that sis that need a little bit of extra hydrating, I will pick this primer up from Fenty Beauty. If you kind of wobbly and working with it and you kind of get moist, but you ain't really getting there, I would go with the soft matte. If there's a lot of motion in your ocean and you wetter and you just wet in the bed where your man's like, did she pee or is she climaxing? You're going to go with the true matte. These are the primers from Fenty Beauty, you guys. You cannot go wrong. And you will never guess what I have with me today. I have the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer. Look, ladies, we're out there chasing the bag, but the bags that we are born with, we're trying to conceal. And this is going to do it for you. So if you want to cheat on your man with his son or his dad, conceal your bags first and secure the money bag. Now, I wouldn't demonstrate this product, but I'm wearing it. So if I look flawless and I look halfway classy, it's because it is. And maybe because it is too, because, you know, pick it up. It's a good cover up for whatever sin you was doing the night before. That's all I'm trying to say. Now, I have to say, usually I don't let nothing small come toward my mouth when it's time for pleasure, but I will make an exception for this mini collection. This is the mini stunner, you guys. Oh my goodness, isn't she adorable? And this shade is called Underdog. This is so appropriate for me because, as y'all know, I've been spit on before. So I was the underdog, but shit, now I'm top dog because look at me in Fenty Beauty, baby. Hate it or love it, the underdog's on top. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this little bomb baby. Isn't it adorable? This is what you're gonna get. A lip gloss and a highlighter. Psh, look, fellas, y'all better step up to the plate and put these in the stockings of any woman that you know, and some men too, honey. We all want this. It's time to get real seductive, y'all. This here is the mini body lava. Can you believe it? They did it in a mini? I'm gonna have to put some of this on. And this is called Who Needs Clothes, is this shade. Anywhere I put this body lava, I instantly feel slimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put me a little body lava on my hand. Y'all better pick this body lava up and put it everywhere. This product right here, honey, is a must-have. And this is the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker Bronzer. Now, honey, we all know around this time of year, we're feeling a little bit washed out, ladies. I mean, even if we Wesley Snipes dark, we're feeling really light skinned right about now. Hit it up with a little bit of the Sun Stalker Bronzer. We want to go around the forehead, around the perimeter of the jawline. You know you eating way too much pie, Thanksgiving turkey, Christmas cookies. This is gonna snatch the out of your jaw, your nose, and your clavicle bones, wherever those are. Get this Sun Stalker Bronzer, you guys. Oh my goodness, look what it is. This is the Brow MVP. There are 14 shades, so everyone is covered. If you're blonde, brunette, redhead, in between, honey, even if you need your roots done, you could pick up a couple of them and blend them. Look at that. Nice, smooth, sleek tip. Yep. And then when you go to the other side, look at this brush. It's not gonna be hard, it's not gonna be bristly. soft strokes. Hello, nice. I love that. Let me tell you how soft and good these slow strokes can be. If you go to the base of the brow, this is gonna be your back strokes. You go to the front. Now that's the stroke that you lay down on right here. So you're getting stroke from the back and the front with the brow MVP. Pick it up. This is literally like a hair transplant for my brows. Today, we are gonna get into the gloss because we all need that sauce on our lips. So we're gonna go with the Gloss Bomb and the Glossy Posse. Let me run y'all through the Gloss Bombs first. This is Fenty Glow, you guys. If you're not rocking with a Fenty Glow, we don't even know your name. Do you exist? And I love this because it's a neutral shade. It's a really pretty shade, and you can mix this with any lip liner, honey, and he will be all over you, or she will. You will even have the dogs smelling your steak at the front door if you're wearing this Fenty Glow. This is Fussy. You can put this over the top of any lipstick. This is the perfect bubblegum shade, and it's gonna rock with any skin tone. So I just love my Fussy. This is Diamond Milk. So if you apply this Diamond Milk, it's gonna build your bones, it's gonna build your palate, and it's gonna make your man do all kind of things to you. This is the Glossy Posse limited edition set. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna walk you through the flavors and the colors. This color is called Pretty Please. Pretty please, Daddy, can you give me an extra $1,000 so I can go shopping? Pretty please, officer, don't lock me up. I did the crime, but I don't want to do the time. Oh my goodness, you guys, we get a mini Fussy in the Gloss Posse set. I can't believe it. You know we cannot leave home without our mini Fussy because we always got that fussy that we need to shut down really quick. Just wipe this on her face real quick and she gonna shut the up. This gloss right here is me all day long. It has the HBIC summed all the way up. I am hot chocolate, honey. My marshmallows have already melted. My graham cracker is moist and hot. Hot chocolate, baby. Dip your cracker right inside. Confetti, you guys, in a freaking mini. You can have a confetti party just by opening this up. Look it, the room is full of confetti. It's beautiful, it's fun. What I would do with confetti is just top it over like literally any lipstick that I'm already wearing. See how that works? Cheeky is the final color and it's fun, it's vibrant. You're gonna have a really good time. Wear this one when you tell jokes. Even if the jokes suck, they'll believe you if you're wearing Cheeky. Y'all, we are here with glitz and glamour. I'm talking Diamond Bomb and Diamond Bomb 2. This is some regal, okay? I feel like I need to be sitting with Walters or somebody with a bigger income than me. Maybe the Queen of England. Now this is the original Diamond Bomb. It goes anywhere. It looks good at any time. Are y'all ready for Diamond Bomb 2? Like, if you haven't graduated high school like I didn't, you might not want to try this. But I'm going to try it anyway because I can. Look at this. Look at this. This is Diamond Bomb 2. Do y'all see the emblem? This is so beautiful. Look at this. You can plop this anywhere. We're going Cupid's bow, nose, head, cheek, eye, face. In between the legs, it doesn't matter. This is Diamond Bomb and Diamond Bomb 2. Ooh, baby, it's cold outside. But I got the thing that you need and I need too. Our lip balm and lip scrub duo. I'm not kissing nobody with dry lips. So this is going to be the lip scrub. And this is so important. You get a lot of it too. Look at that, look at that. And it smells like maple syrup. Now I would give this to my dude because I don't want paper cuts on any of my lips. So he needs to use this before he kisses me uptown or downtown. Okay, so this is very important. Share this with your lover, ladies. And this is another product that you can share with your mate. And this is gonna be your lip balm. Let me show you how supple this is. Yep, you hear that smacking noise? We know what that means. Hello, somebody excited. So you really want to pick this duo up because it's going to keep you in the mood and it's going to keep you moist all winter long. I don't think y'all ready for this, but I'm going to do it even though there's no drum roll. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Liquid Diamond Balm. I didn't know they could put this into a liquid form. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful this is. And it's perfect for the holidays. It's like a mini snow globe. Shake it up. You can hear the little diamond in the bottom. Hear it? Ooh, that sounds like money coming. Now, when you open it up, take your time. I know you're excited. Just want to twist the cap. Look at y'all. It's a roll-on. You can put it here on your décolleté because so you can kiss that later. And I'm going to try something that I've never thought of until right now. I'm going to put a little streak in my lace front and see how that works. Hello. Even my hair is boss. Liquid Diamond Balm. They did it. Only Fenty Beauty can do like this. I have the Rolls Royce of Fenty Beauty, honey. This is the Trophy Wife Life Kit. If you're a little bit short on your coins, fellas, get her this. She's going to love this, and let me show you why. When I open this up, I'm gonna die from excitement because immediately you get this beautiful, beautiful press pack down killer watt highlighter. And there's a lot in here, ladies. It's gonna stretch, it's gonna go a long way. You have to pick this up. I'm gonna swatch it so you can see just how bomb it is. Look at that. Effortless, beautiful. Hello. You can put this anywhere. You can put it on the tip of your nose, and you can also use it as a forehead highlight. Listen, I love a girl with a big forehead. I have a big forehead. Highlight that forehead and own it, honey. I love this. Look at this beautiful, beautiful lip gloss. This is in the shade Trophy Wife. This is the Boss collection, let me just tell you. And then you get the beautiful Trophy Wife lipstick, which is gonna look good on any shade of skin. And you get a liner. I have a steady hand, don't worry about me. Look how rich that gold line is. This ain't fool's gold, motherfucker. Like, this is some real serious 26 karat, 28, 40 karat gold. Ooh, ooh. Sis, where do you earn your trophy? Is it in the kitchen or the bedroom? Me, I burn in both rooms. So, I'm definitely a trophy wife. Mademoiselle, do you know what? This reminds me of an episode of Love when I said, pick a wall, boo. Well, pick a color, boo. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but you're gonna have to get down to your favorite tones like I did. Let me show y'all what my favorite colors was. This color right here is one of my personal favorites, and it's called PMS. And if y'all know me, when I'm on the rag, it's like black on black crime because I am a stark-raving bitch. But look how beautiful and rich that color is. I love this. This is a deep, rich burgundy. You're gonna wear this with your turtlenecks, your jean jackets. You can rock this color all winter long. This Mademoiselle lipstick is one of my personal favorites. Now this is when I want to feel young again, y'all, like I'm 21. I'm gonna rock Shawty, cause that's what I need him to call me, honey. Ooh, honey, 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 honey. They must have named this after my thighs because they are mighty thick. Oh yes, honey, that is some thickness right there. Honey, if they don't cut the check, when I do my next reality show, I quit. Let me see what this color is gonna look like. Cause this look like a bitch walking off set. Yeah, that looks about right. You know, I'm feeling the eggplant from this. I'm feeling, you know, very vampy, very boss bitch. You're gonna tell your boss where he can stick it cause you quit. This final shade is something for that ass. Cause it's called Spanked. Now, this could be spanking that or spanking that monkey. So we need to see where the color is with this. Beautiful. If your man likes to man and spank his monkey, wear this, because this is going to get him right on off. This is Spank, y'all. I love it. Ooh, this is a really big present. It's the shimmer matchsticks. I found you. Light my fire, baby. If you're a forgetful old bitch like me and you lose shit, You need these, honey, because they're magnetic. Look. These are 5 new shimmer shades. And I'm gonna tell you guys what the shades are right now. I just told y'all we was on the beach. Can you feel the sand between your toes? This is beach bum, honey. Look at this. Look how beautiful that is. And look how big that tip is. It got to be big because it got a lot of coverage to spread on. Woo! Wait, look at that color pay off. There you are. If you a beach bum, I'll beach it up with you. That is gorgeous, you guys. This shade right here is called Bordeaux Brat. Look how beautiful and rich that is. It's very bratty, very vamped up, punched up. Ooh, now pour me a big old glass of cognac. I feel like we could really play with this color, y'all. This is cognac, y'all. Get drunk. I thought I was thirsty. I am. Pink lemonade. Once again, look, look, look. Beautiful, succulent. I love pink lemonade. They stealing from me, y'all. They stole from me. This one right here is called Champagne Heist. Y'all better bring my bottles back. Look at that. Perfect, perfect highlighter. Just play with this. This is a Champagne Heist, but y'all better bring my bottles back. I'm thirsty. So that's it, you guys. Thank you for tuning in to the 12 days of Fenty Beauty. My job here is done. I told you what to pick up your mom, your grandmom, your side chick, your little sister, your cousin, even your baby mama. Pick it up. It's all good product and you can't go wrong. I'm off, y'all. I'm going on vacation.